Our current case study here at Spoken Studios is a complete recreation of a scene in Monsters, Inc., the movie. And Bobby's actually going to do all the voices for the characters, and I'm going to do the production and the mixing, and we're going to do the sound effects together. And one of the sound effects we need is someone cleaning the floor with a wet mop. But obviously, we're not going to get a wet mop anywhere near our microphone. So we decided to use something else. A water balloon that we're going to fill up a little bit, tie off, and shake it in front of the mic. But it looks like this was the hardest part of the entire project.
Haven't done this in a while. College was a long time ago. All right. Sorry. Just try. That happened to once. See, that's how my firstborn came along. Whoa! Daniel! What the heck? Dang it! Oh! What the hell? How did I do this before?
I'm glad you're doing it, not me. No, see, if I was doing it, he would be like, hey, clean it up, you know?
I was soaking wet. And it's not because of Ryan.
Let's try a new one. Okay. The trick is to do it slowly.
Don't let the air out.
And we'll add some air to it. Which one's over? Here, just do this.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Another, at least I didn't spray it everywhere.
Well, you know, I'm more powerful than you, old boy. Welcome to Studios.
We have to bleep that out.
Media.
At least that's also a real thing. Is it still going?
Oh, yeah.
All right. There we go.
All right.